Hello and welcome to Stafford Audi. This is a preview Audi Q3 Sport 35 TDI quattro, which we now have in stock. As this is a used vehicle, it does come with 12 months warranty and also 12 months roadside assistance. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please give our sales team a call on 01785 899 417. Firstly, in this video, we'll take you on a 360 walk around the vehicle and then we'll check out interior controls and technology. At the front of the car, we do have a daytime running LED lights ensuring you are seeing whatever the weather. As we make our way round to the side of the car here, we have a gorgeous 5 double arm design 18-inch alloy wheels. So we do have the chrome roof rails and also the chrome window trims. Checking out the interior, we have got the gorgeous index cloth seats, which look really stylish in this vehicle. So this Audi Q3 is diesel, it's automatic, it's done just under 14,800 miles on the road, and the colour of it is Chronos Grey Metallic. Moving on to the B, as you can see, there's plenty of room here for your golf clubs, your shopping, or maybe if you're heading off on a holiday, those suitcases. If you find that wasn't quite enough room, maybe doing some DIY at the weekend, then those back seats do fold down. And this car does come with electric tailgate, meaning from one push of a button, that tailgate will open and also close for you, which is really handy if you've got any shopping bags in your hands at the time. Moving back to the interior, checking out those gorgeous front seats. So that does complete our 360 walk around the vehicle. Now time to check out the interior controls and technology. Just the right hand side of the steering wheel, we do have the window and mirror controls. You also have the ability here to turn on or turn off those child locks for the rear doors. Just below we got the button which will open the electric tailgate from inside the vehicle, and just above us we do have your light controls. These are positioned just to the right hand side of your multi-functional steering wheel. Using buttons on the left hand side, you can personalise the Audi virtual cockpit display, as this has many features for you to choose from. To the right, we've got the volume control, which means you don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel to alter the volume. And once your mobile phone is connected to the car, use these buttons above to take or reject phone calls. Down to the left, we've got the paddle shift for the cruise control. And in the centre, we've got our main display, which is the multimedia interface, which is the all-touch screen too. Here, you can do a range of things on it, including planning your route to destination on the navigation system. You can select the soundtrack to your journey on the DAB digital radio. You can also connect up to the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now if we go to the car menu to Audi Drive Select, this allows you to adapt the driving quality of your Audi to your independent needs. Moving down then, we do have our air conditioning system. Simply switch on, set your temperature and position, and away you go. Just below we do have the main volume control for your radio. Of course this vehicle is manual. And just in front we do have 2 USB ports, so you can charge those electronic devices. And of course we do have the electric parking brake, and next to it is the automatic parking brake, which means once this is selected, the car will brake automatically when it is stationary. So that does complete our tour today around this previews Audi Q3 Sportback Black Edition 40 TDI, which we now have in stock. As this is a used vehicle, it does come with 12 months warranty and also 12 months roadside assistance. For personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please give our sales team a call on 01785 899 417. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we hope to see you soon at Stafford Audi.